Mubasomu ya bweritwo rya Jumatano tariki ya 30 cy'umutienyi ogatano na gatatu mwaka wa 2023 mancho murigereri nkwege na ritwo rya ondigenderete ko bari toereruke gima na nene no genderete kwego kya asoko bwatemero berionsi getaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo mugusi nechinga kishingiye kero cyaragire Chinsa isana nebere kero ngukwariganya SMS Amayia erionko manye aina kwariganire asenchira ere yobwenge na manga genderete gokorekana kero turoche omokonyi gose omorugi bwo mokonyi bw'umurai wense Pastor Dorcas Gashawa agenderetie no muroberio ye bwo koenekia abuna ebotumeki bwa moryogo yogotindia bwabere bwo ikomerio anene asabasae asagenderete goteba buna nigo yasaririe ekegori kiamambia nigo boigo umusangirikano bwo gukwanira igoro yo gonchureria kwerire ogenderete ko gose ogenderete ase abamanyi beri bamangana yerire abagenderete no musangirikano eri gukwanira buna naki arire riracheko bago cyakira umutienyi Ikomi goika umutienyi Ikomi na kabere omwako yega kinga kibono amarigani boigo agenderete bosi bumusangirikano munene bwo gukwanira igoro yogonchureria kwerire gose climate change summit oyo rengete gokorekana umutienyi ukianda agochaka chitariki nyegweka chitariki isano nemo ime yo mucho Nairobi ko kwarigana SMS Amayia manya ina kwariganire asenchira ere yobwenge Mwanchi umuliriri nyora sensemo ya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na mutandao Twitter na bogotwitu wetera @Ndizi TV News eri otogendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amanke uri okoeneki ya chibi channel yogi chago ikeire nigakuru kwa John Kebati na injiri etariane Everline Osero kokwarigante achake asenchera yobwenge awase ababwatani boborendi kurwase county ya Wasindigisho na boigo county ya Nakuru ababe bakumirana asomusangirikano ime yo mucho Nakuru eri gukwanira amangana arengete oborendi nigo ababwatani abo bakora na ba county commissioner kurwa sechi county echonsi bere ase wekerenga kyabekenene kere gukwanira igoro yoborendi anene oborendi ase abakori gose abonchoreria ase Chinsa mechibere nigo batayire buna ayasege kegetambe nigo engana yoborendi yabere koreta umuchando munene anene kurwa sabo borendi assist serikali chech county gochiase au baunchoreria gento batayire batachikoganya kebege kogenderera asama tukabusio.
So leo tumekongamana hapa na madhumuni kubwa sana ya kukongamana hapa ni kuwa na mazungumzo na business community. Hasa tunaangalia their role kwa mambo ya peace and security. Tukinarrow down kabisa tunateremuka kwa mazungumzo kati ya traders na wale enforcement officers. Na mara nyingi sana unapata ya kwamba kumekuwa na taswishi kubwa sana kati ya enforcement officers wale tunasema ni kanjo na traders hapa nchini. Na hapa Nakuru haijawachwa nyuma kwa sababu haya ni mambo ambayo tumeona yakifanyika. Basi madhumuni kubwa sana ni kuangalia jinsi ambavyo tutaanza mazungumzo, okay? Kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale traders na enforcement officers wako na uhusiano ambayo ni mwafaka, uhusiano ambao ni bora zaidi wakati ambapo wanatekeleza wajibu wao. Sasa hiyo ndio maana tuko hapa siku ya leo na tuko na maafisa wengi sana ambao wamefika hapa. Najua utapata kuzungumza na bwana county commissioner pia yuko hapa. Wao pia wamekuja kwa sababu hii mazungumzo sio mazungumzo ya midrift na traders peke yake, ni mazungumzo ya watu wote na tunasema ni multisectoral, okay? Engagement forum ambapo tunakuja tunapata kuzungumza jinsi ambazo tunaweza fanya business environment iwe safer zaidi kwa watu wote pale.
Leo tuko hapa tukishirikiana na business community na officers wetu wa County Security Committee kwa kikao hiki ambacho kimeandaliwa na Midlift. Midlift ni shirika la human rights, linafanya kazi pamoja na jamii thabiti wakiwa ina program ambayo iko funded na Reinvent.
Abaremi korwase county ya Siaya nigo bagenderete konyora amaigerio igoro yobuya bwo kumanyari roba na gusimeka emsuro ebwenerete nigo baboriwe kwene kyango manyabare riroba gusobunya masweri roba eriyo gusimeka emsuro ebwenerete anene chinga kyechiga embreka geire kwene kiwa asama tukabwangoiga.
This activity is covering the whole of Siaya County. We are in collaboration with the Department of Agriculture Siaya County in support of the USAID program KCDMS. We plan to reach out onto the whole county in terms of soil testing and awareness so that all farmers in Siaya County can bring their soils for testing.
In Siaya, we are targeting about 6,000 soil pH tests and 200 complete tests that will provide comprehensive analysis of all the micro and micronutrients in the soil to support farmers understand the essence of and importance of testing their soils so that they can make corrective measures in an appropriate time, and especially as we approach the short rains, to support them in making amelioration that will improve productivity not only in the short run but also in the long run.
Abakolimire masense moyobo chenu korwase county ya Elgeyo Marakwet nse yobo mo bw'abanyagetari Chinsa gose Kenya National Union of Nurses nigo bagosereire kogenda omugiro onyetibari goche wakanwa emisara yabo yemetienyi 5 eyo yabeire gegotakanwa ni emisara eyo yabeteke goteneniwa kubwatikana na kirike gotebekana buna nigo abakolimire membeo bare ase county eyo nonya nabo nigo kuboria kwa ruru serikali ya county kwene kiabuna ababeire bako bakane misara yabo iri bagendererie korwa obokoreri ase abananchi ase korengana no muriki w'ekyombekyo ni Benson Biwot nigatere n'abakolimire mabo babeire bagokora obokoreri ase gekegetambe asiboigo amochire serikali ya county asobo gotababwatani chingaki omubaro w'abakolimire mu be county orenge gokorekana.
I wondered why they are now cost workers. So that means those who are doing the staff audit did not do a real staff audit, but they wanted to please the echo of their bosses. Because how come a whole consultant is a cost worker? How come a senior nurse who will retire in 2 months is a cost worker? So the meaning of a cost worker, the meaning of those who are rating these people as cost workers, does not meet the standard.
Auditors walipokuwa wakifanya hesabu walipewa muda hadi saa 7, lakini wengi wao wale walijipata katika hali hii walikuwa wamechelewa kuja siku hiyo. Kwa hivyo walikuja na wakapeana makaratasi zao kwa sekta ya human resource bila kuhesabiwa. Tulipowahoji, kwa kweli wengi wao wako wamehesabiwa. Kwa hivyo ilikuwa ukweli kwamba hawakuwa katika ile orodha ya staff ama wafanyikazi ambao walikuwa wa county, na hivyo walipojitokeza tukawahoji na tukaelewa kwamba walikuwa wamejitokeza hivyo walichelewa, na tukawaambia kwamba tutarejesha mshahara yao baada ya kupitia mambo moja mawili.
Abaibori babwata abana bare no borema korwase county ya Busia nigo baboriwe kobasokia eryo babe bakubarikia konyorobo konyi korwase serikali yani gagocha chingaki yarokanire buna abanta abange babwata borema nigo babisire ase chinyomba batari gosokiwa eryo konyora obokonyi obwane nebogenderete korwe wane serikali ase chinsemo au nigo igatia yabali babete bawe sokia na korikiwa babere bako bwatokirwa obokonyi anene bwebirogo gosechi wheelchair ase obokonyi obwo bogenderete kubwato kwa ase ensemeyo gati abari banyorira obokonyi nigo bagokeire egetamkirekyo na kugania ababwatani kurwase chi ebyumbe au kugendera wesokia na kurwa obokonyi mnobwo.
Kwa maana kuna watu ambao walikuwa wanafichwa kwa nyumba, hawezi kujitoa nje na hawezi kutembea, na mama anakupongeza kwa sababu sasa hawa walemavu wangu watajitoa na watajitembeza wenyewe bila kusaidiwa.
Tuko na miradi na tuko na mikakati, tulikuwa tumelemewa kidogo, lakini akirudi sasa tutamuonyesha mama ile kidogo ambao umetupatia ama ile mingi ambao umetupatia imezaa hii na imezaa hii na imezaa hii.
Sio vizuri mtu kuishi akifikiria yeye ni mzigo. Na ninaita partners wote ambao wameandika mission, visions, objectives tamu kwamba wanasaidia walemavu kabisa. Hapa mashinani wamesahau. Watoke huko Nairobi kwa magorofa, wakuje huku mashinani.
Amakongu yogonchoreria kwerire nigakageire kogendera koreta umuchando monene ase obochenu bwa mwanyabantu onye serikali itego chikobeka emeroberio emekeranu yokorwania emechande yeiga gokwana somusangirikano bwobochenu nogonchoreria kwerire oyo ariganirie nekeombe gia Kemri imeye county ya Kwale nigo abamanyi babeire bagokwanira egati emeroberio eyo bwenerete kobekwa ase ogotanga amakongu yaiga gati yabo.
We are seeing the great effect, the negative effect of climate change. The issues of new diseases occurring, issues of the flooding causing issues like cholera, we are now having issues of malaria, diseases that we were not even before, really, which we had thought had actually gone away are now emerging because of the issues of climate change. We are seeing the effects it is having on the nutrition of our people, and it's having that nutrition. The problem also is the issue of the health of the communities that we serve.
Because our farmers used to farm knowing that this is when the long rains will come, this is when the short rains will come. But those things are no longer there. So we have to reorganize ourselves, and we have to depend on scientists to tell us the way forward. And that is what we are doing. And we need the scientists to work on this, and the political leadership to make sure that they implement what comes out of this.
Tunaweza kuwa na mwelekeo mmoja kama serikali, kama mashirika, ili tusaidie serikali kutatua haya mambo ya tuseme magonjwa yanayopatana na tabia nchi.
Kile tunahitaji ni Wakenya milioni 50 kupanda miti 30 tu, na hiyo yote tutaipanda kwa mwaka mmoja.
Nabamanyi bamangana yerire nigo bagenderete no musangirikano bo imi mucho Nairobi eriko kwandira igoro yobuyana boigo amabe ayo akoreto kubwatkana no gonchurira kwerire anene nigo bagenderete komurekera ingana yo gonchurira kwerire gatyo mutienyi Ikomi no mutienyi Ikomi na kabere omwako yega abunora achie koreta omuchango ase abaremi mense ya Kenya.
The enhanced rainfall in line with the forecast during these months, marking the short rains, is expected to have both negative and positive impacts across various sectors. The most likely impacts on various sectors will be highlighted by the sector heads. We have sat together since Monday with various sector representatives, and we've looked at the implications of what we are forecasting, and we'll give them a chance to explain what we've agreed with. Allow me to also mention that the story does not end here. As I mentioned on Monday, we have short-term forecasts that go hand in hand with the seasonal forecast, and we will encourage you to keep in touch with us, and but of course these forecasts are available. We have the 24-hour, and that will be the highest in terms of accuracy, because we are talking about short term. The shorter the term, the higher you go towards attaining almost 100% in terms of accuracy.
Togotigana nayo nigo omochando bobo tumekwa modewo yogo tindia anena segati abasaya oberego kororkana ase Chinsa au oyo nonya nabo ireira banke wesona nya sobosaria nabo igo abange gotiga chiskuru na bange kwerusyo bomoyo anigo omurugi bomokonyi bomurai bwense Pastor Dorcas Gashawa agendretie omoroberio ye bwokoenekia buna abasabo babeire bagotori wakorwase obotumeki bwebinyu webyo litkoria rero Pastor Dorcas Gashawa nigo abereka gochake bene omoroberio yo Amayia county ya Mombasa ekerabona agendrete korwa esegeto gochiase abananchi kwene kiabuna nkobwatirana bare erio gokonya basaye korwa sowetanga nemechandeyo.
The future of our nation is the greatest gift we have in our hands, the gift of our children, a gift that should be good, a gift that should be valuable, a gift that should be treasured by all and a gift that should warm our hearts. It is a gift that must be appreciated, and the gift of the boy child is one of the greatest because he's the seed carrier and the one who will see the future of any tribe, the future of any clan, the future of any community and society and the nation. It lies in the people you see who are sitting here, and we cannot afford not to take care of our future. For what kind of a country would ignore such a gift? What kind of a country would ignore the greatest potential, the economic driver who is in a comatose or he's sleeping, and if you are to wake them up, you will find that the economy would thrive. It is our collective responsibility as a people to reflect on the future we want, on the future we have at hand, and it is the people you see sitting in front of you. A strong boy and a strong girl and a strong man and a strong woman, it is the future for our nation.
Nyirabono Pastor Dorcas Gashawa nigateba buna ekirenga kiaye kenene no korora buna abasae babere bagutoriwa nene kubakonya kwebwatania se merumo yechingejo ao nabarabo kubarosia kuba egesakwe kiya kyamambya wikirega igo mancho muri nongo korera maye Chinsa isano na ibera senchira ere yobwenge kurende na mange ngendrete okwariganeria ina ndora nyora senchira yobwenge chikoraga Chinsa Ikomi endra kubwate meroberionsi ya Ndizi TV asense moya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube otonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News na so mutandao Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ero togendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amange John Kebati na rene kechibicha ndio gichiago ikeire na nchere toriane Everline Osero twaro burigerero buya na boigo umubaso oromotoerero.